The Aviator wallet has been my go-to wallet for some time now, and not because I got it for free. I actually like the pull strap mechanism and the quality, but more specifically, this thumb slot allows me to further personalize my Aviator wallet. I just love it when I can customize my stuff so that it is unique to me, and the Aviator Slide wallet's design allows for this. In this video, I will go over 4 ways you can personalize your Aviator Slide wallet and how to get this result. Fracking Creations, showing you the good stuff. I would like to disclose that this is not a paid or sponsored video, though Evermade Wallets was kind enough to send us the Aviator Blue titanium screws, the aluminum space frame, AirTag cache clip, and mounting template for free to use in this video. Plus, we do get to keep them after. Carbon fiber card insert for Aviator wallet. One of the best ways to personalize your Aviator Slide wallet is to add a card insert that you can see through the thumb slot. If you have a card with a nice finish or color, it's as easy as placing it at the top of the wallet. But if you want to take it to the next level, then consider using carbon fiber or Kevlar. I use high quality Dragonplate carbon fiber veneers to achieve this. What's cool is that Dragonplate has different colors and materials available. They have several carbon fiber weaves to choose from, like plain weave to twill narrow weave. If you want to get even more extravagant, then check out their Kevlar veneers, which come in red, blue, and yellow colors. Very sick, but also very expensive, though you are paying for the quality and premium material. You can choose different finishes like gloss or matte and get different size sheets based on your needs, and whether to include a 3M adhesive backing. I will include links to these in the video description below. Once you have the sheet, just trace one of your cards. Cut the sides using a ruler and utility knife. Then round the corners using scissors and an existing card as a guide. And voila! On the safety side, make sure you don't breathe in the carbon fiber or Kevlar dust as you cut, and don't get it in your eyes. Neither of these situations will be a fun experience. Note that the matte finish is more durable, so you have to keep that in mind since the insert will slide in and out frequently as you use your wallet. The gloss finish will likely scratch up over time. I prefer the matte finish as the edges look better after cutting, and because it is more durable. Embellishments for Aviator wallet. If adding the carbon fiber or Kevlar card insert is not good enough, then take it another step further by embellishing the card insert with something 3D. What I like about the Aviator Slide wallet's thumb slot opening is that it is slightly raised above the top card. This leaves room for me to add 3D embellishments while still allowing the cards to slide out easily at a tug of the pull strap. Add your favorite precious metal, 3D printed item, or anything else you can think of that is less than 1 mm in height that has a flat backing to use for attaching. I like to use double-sided carpet tape because it is very sticky and thin. Just attach to your embellishment and cut around it carefully. Then remove the backing, position, and attach firmly. Titanium screws for Aviator wallet. While we're at it, let's not stop here. Aviator has optional screws you can upgrade your wallet with so that you don't just have regular black screws. You can upgrade to stainless steel silver colored screws and fancy gold or blue colored titanium screws. These cool little titanium screws have an anodized coating that add a subtle shimmer to the wallet. Note that the titanium screws only work with the aluminum or titanium space frames, so if you have the default acrylic frame, you will have to upgrade to one of the metal frames. If you want to go with these screws, choose to upgrade to the aluminum space frame when you are buying the wallet. Otherwise, it's another expense to buy afterwards. With the amount of money you are spending on the Aviator wallet, if you are installing the titanium screws yourself, you will have to be careful so that you don't damage the anodized coating, which could chip off. You also want to be careful not to scratch your cover plate as you install the screws, so there is a mounting template available to purchase. This is what they use when they assemble the wallets. It actually makes installation easier because it aligns the cover plate with the frame and helps guide the screws for easy assembly while protecting your cover plate. Apple AirTag cache clip for Aviator wallet. Lastly, we have a 3D printed AirTag cache clip for those of you that want to track your expensive and personalized wallet. These are 3D printed and the quality seems pretty good. There are also aluminum ones of different colors available to choose from. I don't have an AirTag, but will be getting an Android AirTag equivalent when it is available pretty soon. In the future, hopefully Aviator will also have cache clips available for the Chipolo Point Finder tags for Android phone owners. Well, there you have it, 4 ways you can personalize your Aviator Slide wallet and track it too. Let me know in the comments if you will be doing this for your wallet, or if you have other suggestions to customize. Like and share our videos with anyone else you think would enjoy. Subscribe for more good stuff to come.